So just last week, we shared our FuelCell Energy trade, and so far, it has already gained 182% profit, with the stock surging more than 37% in a single session and breaking out to a new 52-week high. Now, a lot of people are asking us, are we closing the trade to take profits or staying in for more gains? So in this video, we'll answer that by showing you how we updated our options trade based on the latest data in order to manage risk and protect gains, a smart risk management approach that can be applied to other trades as well. This risk management strategy allows us to capture additional profits if the stock continues to move higher, while taking less loss if it drops lower. But here's the thing, to set this strategy up successfully, it's important to position early, just like the wealthy investor we've been tracking, the one who led us to this winning trade. Just last week, on this day, April 21, we detected an unusual options trade on FuelCell Energy placed by this wealthy investor. At that time, the stock was struggling near its prior year-to-date high, which was acting as a strong resistance level. But we followed that unusual options trade and took a long bullish position, expecting the stock to break out above that resistance. And that's exactly what happened. This was the video we shared on our channel last week, where we analyzed a $1.3 million options trade to determine whether FuelCell Energy stock would move up higher based on how smart money was trading. And after analyzing the data, it was clearly flashing a buy signal, indicating the stock would break out higher. So we bought call options based on our analysis, and as it turns out, that analysis was correct and highly profitable because FuelCell Energy stock did indeed break out, reaching a new 52-week high. So this trade has paid off big. If you want to learn how we predicted this major stock move, we'll link this video at the top. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on these very profitable opportunities. Now, keep in mind, even if you're subscribed to our channel, you could still miss out on these profitable trades. That's because we do not always have time to make videos. We spend most of our time analyzing data for the exclusive trades we share inside our membership. That's why we use email alerts. They're the fastest way to share trades, even when there's no time to make a video. And so if you want access to more of these profitable trade opportunities, including email alerts, consider signing up for our free newsletter on our website. We'll link it up here. It's simple, quick, takes less than a minute, and best of all, it's completely free. No credit card, no paywall, just raw data-driven trade alerts based on unusual option activity emailed straight to your inbox. And if you want full access to all of our trade alerts, including real-time updates, detailed analysis, and earlier entries, consider joining the membership. Members get earlier access to trades like this before anyone else, even before we share them in our free newsletter or on our YouTube channel. So, if you're tired of being late and want more time to act on these opportunities, this is your chance to get direct access to the trades of wealthy investors and potential insiders so you can see what the smart money is doing before the trade becomes highly profitable. Now, speaking of profits, how much did this options trade actually make? Because knowing the exact profit is what allowed us to use a smart risk management strategy and set up our next trade based on the latest data from unusual option activity. So, if we had simply bought the stock by using shares, we'd be looking at a solid 43% gain in 1 week. But because we bought call options instead of just buying shares, our profits were even higher, thanks to the leverage that options provide to amplify returns, capturing even bigger gains. And so, let's take a look back at our original trade on the risk profile graph, analyzing the same options that a wealthy investor was trading last week. These July 17th options at the 13 strike calls priced at 130 per contract when we entered this trade. And remember, this shows option prices, so we either move the decimal 2 places to the right or multiply by 100 since each option contract controls 100 shares of stock. That means each option contract initially costs $130. And so on this graph, our profit or loss shows up here, and the x-axis represents the share price of the stock, which is currently trading over here, and the y-axis represents the amount of profit or loss. Keep in mind, this graph already includes the cost of the trade. That's why you can see on the blue line that if the stock had dropped down, it would have been a negative $130 loss per contract, the entire cost of the trade. But instead, it went up higher to about here. So we have a profit of $237 per contract. And so to calculate the profit percentage, we take the profit of $237 and divide it by the initial cost of $130 and then multiply by 100 to express it as a percentage, and that gives us a return of 182% profit in just 1 week. And so this is yet another real-time example of how we keep winning using data-driven analysis and trading strategies that track the trades of wealthy investors. Because understanding where smart money flows gives us deep insights into potential stock moves in the market. The rich often have more access to exclusive research and information, sometimes even leaked insider information, that help them make better, smarter financial decisions. This is how smart money always stays one step ahead, well before the rest of the market catches on. No wonder the rich get richer. And so, if you want to get access to more of these insights from the rich, then just head over to our website. We'll put a link up here where you can see exactly which stocks wealthy investors are trading on Wall Street and when they're doing it, so that you can have the same opportunities as the rich. Because if the rich get richer, why shouldn't you? Now, with that being said, not all trades by wealthy investors are winners. Some end up as losses. Nobody wins on every trade. That's just the practical reality of trading. And so, to stay consistently profitable over the long run, we use strategies with a better risk to reward ratio to maximize profits and minimize losses. So, as a real time example, let's go over how we used new data to adjust our trade here, turning it into a strategy that gives us more upside potential while managing risk to reduce possible losses. As we can see here on the option chain, our original trade was in these July 17th options at the 13 strike calls. These contracts are now worth between a bid-ask price of $350 to $380 compared to just $130 when we first detected and bought these contracts. That's why it turned into such a profitable trade now. And take a look at the open interest here. There's around 9,000 open contracts, but 2,000 of them were being closed to take profits. So we also started to close some of our contracts to lock in profits to reduce risk, trimming our position here marked as POS by selling these 13 strike calls and then rolling these options into a new position based on the latest data. As we can see here on the options time and sales tape, there was unusual option activity on April 29th in these June 18th options at the 15 strike calls. But it's not just these hundreds of contracts that you see here. There's more than meets the eye. That's why we always take a closer look at the data to strengthen our analysis, and that in turn increases our probability of profit. As you can see here on the option chain, for these June 18th options, at the 15 strike calls, there was significant activity here, with volume spiking to over 9,000 contracts traded. Meanwhile, open interest was only 140 contracts, which tells us these were new opening trades because you cannot close thousands of contracts if only about 100 were open to begin with. So we used profits from our original trade to roll into this new position here by buying these 15 strike calls. In other words, we opened a new trade that cost less than the amount we sold our previous trade for at the 13 strike calls. That means we entered this new trade at a credit, not a debit, reducing our risk by using the gains from our earlier trade. And so when we analyze our trade now, you can see here on the risk profile graph, the buy position cancels out the sell position because they are the same July 17th options at the 13 strike calls. So now we are only left with the June 18th options at the 15 strike calls. And so on the graph, we can see here that if FuelCell Energy stock drops from where it is now, our trade would not have a negative loss. And even if it crashes down lower, our loss would be very limited. This is how we manage risk by minimizing losses while still staying in the trade to gain more profits if the stock moves higher. But keep in mind, this risk management strategy was only possible because we followed that wealthy investor just last week back on this day before the stock broke out to a new high. So if you missed our previous analysis showing exactly why we first entered this trade, which is now up 182% profit, we'll link that video here. For more strategies backed by our deep analysis and trade alerts, visit our website. We'll link it here because the next time a wealthy investor makes an unusual trade, you'll want to be in early, not chasing after it's already gone up. Take care and have a wonderful day.